Hello, garden lovers. I am going to be planting some seeds in these little cells here. The little cells. Yeah, so sit back, relax, and enjoy watching me plant these. I have a little bit of sunshine in my eyes. We want the sunshine. Please melt this snow. Okay, I have some snapdragon here. Hopefully I'm going to do better with these because my last ones, I got one little seedling that came up out of 12, I think. Anyhow, that's in my last video if ever you want to see. So I have some snapdragon here. This is Madam Butterfly, absolutely beautiful. I have some more snapdragon. I have a few of these. This is the Potomac Orange. Am I saying that right? Potomac Orange. And some more here. This is Potomac Ivory. So yes, I'm loving the snapdragons. I got these last fall. I also have some lobelia here. Absolutely beautiful. Probably going to put these in pots. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but they're beautiful. Some gomphrena. I don't remember what this looks like, but I know it was beautiful. If I bought it, it's because I just loved it. So it's got to be beautiful. Of course, flowers are always beautiful, aren't they? Strawberry Fair. That's the one I got. Strawberry Fair. And then I have the straw flower, and I was just thinking that this would be just so awesome to maybe do a wreath or something like that in the fall, because straw flowers, they look like paper. They're actually like paper, and they actually stay pretty nice once you've cut them. So I'm thinking of probably making a wreath in the fall or something like that for my door. So for my last video, I showed you that only one of my little seedlings came up, and I don't know if it has something to do with the dirt I used. I know some people use seed starting stuff. I didn't get that. This dirt this time, I'm going to be using this, the Miracle Grow. I'm thinking of using the Miracle Grow because there's more vitamins in there or something like that for them. I'm going to fill these cells up real quick, and I'm going to start putting the seeds in. So we're going to fast forward this. So I took a moment to actually write down all of the names on these tags here, and now I'm ready to plant them. So the snapdragon here, we're going to try these, okay? So I'm doing 6 of each, okay? I don't know what's going to take, and I have lots of space back there, so I have lots of space. When I say back there, I mean in my backyard garden. Oh boy, here we're doing this again. Oh my God, we're doing this again. Oh, hang on. I gotta try to get to these. They're really, really small. Orby wants to be in the video. You're so funny. Are you coming up here to see me? Come on, let's do this together. All right. So this was $6, guys. These are $6, and this is what I got. They're annuals. All of these are annuals too. Oh, let's just pray something happens. I don't even know if I'm going to see them falling in there. They're just going to stay stuck under my nail. Let's see what happens. I don't even think I'm supposed to do anything with this. I'm supposed to just leave it like that. There. Okay, so these are snapdragons, and these are the Madam Butterfly. So we got Madam Butterfly there. So that's going to be right here. The next here, set this aside. These are going to be snapdragons. Also, these are the Potomac. Am I saying that right? Please let me know. Okay, we have the same. Snapdragons are tiny. So I'm seeing that. Snapdragons are extremely small. But there's a lot more in this one. Hang on, I'm poured in my hand. I don't know. They seem smaller than poppy seeds. They're smaller than poppy seeds? Okay, let's do this again. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Guys, I hope that you're going to grow for me. Please, Eddie, please. Next, those are the Snapdragon. Which ones are these? These are the Potomac Orange Snapdragon. This one, orange. I'm gonna put on this side right there. Next, this cell here. I'm gonna do like this. More Snapdragons. You know, while we're at it, let's just do Snapdragons. Okay, now this, there's not many in there. I can't fill 6 cells with that. I mean, I could if I used, I mean, I don't know, can I? I mean, look at what I have in here. Wow. And these are just gonna like, they won't come back. But I can collect the seeds. Now watch this. That's what you get. That's what you get for falling in love. All right, let's try to separate this and try to get, oh my. Is this even serious? I would like each one to have their own little cell. Oh, I can't do all of them. So these were the ivory. So we're done with the Snapdragons. Enough with the Snapdragons already. Okay, so lobelia. Is it lobelia or lobelia? In French, it would be lobelia. So that's my other language. I speak French. Lobelia. Okay, let's see what's surprise and what kind of seed is in lobelia. I'm figuring that they're going to be pretty tiny because those are little tiny flowers, right? Okay, let's just see how much. Oh, wow. Those are tiny. I mean, tiny, tiny. I'm not going to even put that. Look at that. I'm not going to put that in my hands. It's just going to stick to my hand. How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? I'm going to put some on here. Just so you can see how small that is. I'm going to zoom that in. Give me a second, guys. Really? Really? That's what it is? Let's zoom in. You're not even close enough. Hang on. Let's get closer. Closer. Boom. Look at that. Now there's small and there's small. It's almost powder. Okay. Okie dokie, in you go. And that's how I'm supposed to do it, right? Just dust that in. I mean, I'm not going to just put one in, right? I'm going to have to thin them, probably. And I think I'm going to do it this way because I can see how much I'm putting. I don't want that to fall on the other side because I'm not even seeing. Hang on. I'm trying, guys. Oh, I knew that would happen. Look. I knew that would happen. Look. Look what happened. I knew that would happen. Great. So how am I supposed to deal with that? You know, just sprinkle it on. Ugh. I'm going to put this away because I may be able to grow some more next year. So there goes lobelia. 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 Good luck, lobelias. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't need this one. I don't need that one. I had an extra one that I just didn't need because now I have straw flowers here. Oh, now this is a seed. Now that makes sense. Now that's a seed. Okay, so what would you do? Would you put only 1 or 2 or 3? We'll do a few. You want to get in closer? You want to see this close up? Let's get in closer. Hopefully, it doesn't go blurry on you. At least I can see them. Try to separate them a little. Oh, 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 oh. No, don't make the same mistake you made a while ago. It's because when I grabbed onto it, my nail, it went inside underneath my nail. Would you put more? Is this, am I supposed to put like a lot? Guys, I'm literally really asking you. I'm really asking you, you know? I mean, whoever watches my channel, I mean, I watch other channels also. Friends, I have some friends out there, new garden friends. Garden friends, help me. Help me, help me, help me. I need to figure this out. There you go. Oops, I got some dirt in there. Maybe the flower's gonna grow inside the packet. I don't think so. All right, straw flower. There y'all go. And Gomphrena. Let's see what Gomphrena has to offer us. The seed. Oh, I have more of that in there. Now look at that. This is a seed also. No, seriously, these are seeds. You know what? I think, you know, these are all prepared, so why not? You know, I'll just put them in there. I'll have 12 extra plants. What if I do 2 per cell? Okay, or I think there's 3 there, but I think these got to go in just a little deeper because they're bigger. So I'll do 1, you know, 2. Are you still hanging out with me? If you are, comment still here. Because am I talking to myself? Am I alone doing this all alone? Or are you with me? You with me? Huh? You with me? I don't think I can post up an image of, this is the Gomphrena. Yeah, I don't think I can post an image. Did I do this one, guys? Had I done this one? Yeah, for, you know, because you can't steal stuff from the web, right? That's how it is. It's just how it is. You can't do that. And so just go check it out. This is the Gomphrena. The Strawberry Fair. I am definitely going to do the rest. Why not? The dirt is there. There's a reason for this. It's because I'm going to fall in love with this flower. Let's see if I fall in love with this flower. Is there a flower that you actually hate? And if so, why? I don't really hate certain flowers. I may like them less. Example, there's a flower, the marigold, I've never been a fan of. But for some reason, now I'm starting to appreciate it. The petunia, same thing. I just always felt like they were grandma flowers. But guess what? I'm a nana now. I'm a grandmother. So maybe that's why I like it. That could be. Huh? Because now I'm an old lady. Look how easy these are to plant now. See? They're just so easy to plant because you can see them. Oh, guys, I'm going to have way too many, am I? You know, I would share with all you guys. I would. We could, you know, hang out together and share seeds, share flowers. But this is the way I'm sharing. I'm sharing by, you know, just hanging out with you guys and you hanging out with me and showing you my work. And, you know, when I started the YouTube channel, it was, you know, I kind of felt like alone and it's like, who am I talking to type of thing. But now that I'm getting to know a lot of you guys, it feels like I'm actually talking to you guys. Well, there's, who's who? There's Liz from Garden Happy. There's Bexar of a Garden, is that how to say it? Bexar of a Garden, that I follow. I call, oh, I'm not remembering his name. I call him Mountain Mike, but you know who you are. You know who you are. But I don't remember the name of his channel. It's a real smart name, too. Oh, by the way, I call Mike Montana Mike. That's just me that calls him that. There's Patty B. Patty, hello, Patty. You're so much more far along than I am in your garden. So she's got a really nice channel too. Patty B Gardening. Who else? There's so many others. There's Angel also. Oh, what's the name of her channel? Oh, I'm sorry guys if I'm not remembering the names of your channel. But anyhow, I will promise to learn everything and know the names of your channel. Okay, so I did it. Guys, I did it. You know, not much really to see, right? Than to just listen to me blabbering and talking. Isn't that the same thing, blabbering and talking? Talking is one thing, blabbering means you're just doing too much of it. Anyhow, okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go put these in, hang on, these here, and I have little domes that go on top. I am going to cross my fingers that I can get something out of these trays because my other one I just got one and I don't even know if it's doing good. Anyhow, okay, I'm gonna let you guys go and I will keep you updated on the seeds and, you know, send me some warm sunshine so we can melt that snow. Take care, guys. Till then, keep gardening.